What's up everyone, 3D Print 747 here, back again with a quick video update. So here's where I am with the helmets. Got them painted, and right now I am working on the inside visor. I use a water mask, replacement mask, and then just window tint from Amazon. And then hot glue them in there. I think these turned out pretty awesome. The top here, it is what it is. I'm not going to redo that, but they're going to be using it at night on Halloween, so it's not a big deal. This helmet was taller than the red one, so I had to cut a piece off. Need to get one of those A2Ls so I can print full-size helmets and not have to be worrying about the ugly looking seams there. But overall, I think these things turned out awesome. I'm very happy with it, with them. I'm not going to clear coat them. I'm going to touch up some paint there. I'm not going to clear coat them because I've had a lot of trouble with this paint, and I don't want to have to redo these from scratch. So I'm just going to leave them like this. Like I said, they're going to use them for Halloween, and then we've got a Black Ranger helmet that I printed months ago that I'm going to give them as well for their other friend. So anyway, just wanted to give you a quick update. I'll show you what the mask looks like. All right, so this is what I start with. This is the replacement welder mask, and then here I've got this drying, and I've just got my guitar stand sitting on it to flatten it out till it dries completely, and then I'll be able to hot glue it in the helmet. Like I said, I'll put a link to the welder mask in the description. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll show you how the helmets ended in the next update. Okay everyone, I lied. I ended up just installing the masks, the shield, I guess, I don't know what you would call it, and then finishing this video instead of creating a new one. I went to upload the other parts of this video last night and it failed, so I figured I would just continue this today with the black pieces and call this video done. The way I do this is just hot glue, and you can see out of it pretty well, but I think they're gonna be really happy. I think they turned out great. I wish I had some kind of a way to form this to get it closer. See that gap right there? You can't really notice it when you're looking here, but if I had a way to soften, I tried even to use a heat gun on the plastic to bring it closer, but then it started to bubble and it ruined one of the welder masks, so I just figured I would leave it like this. But anyway, end result, they're going to be happy. I'm happy. Please hit that like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.